Ever so patient here. We're still under VWAP. We're just holding the POC, holding 424.06. We needed to come down to gap fill to long anything. The Q's daily gap, 423.56, is the 1618 fib. So again, as long as we stay under our 424.75, 100 fib, we have an opportunity. Fill down here, and that's going to be the long scalpola. Rather the downside here. Yeah. Could go either way here. It's just stuck, obviously, consolidating. This typical Friday is just do a whole lot of nothing. If it pops up, so be it. I'll miss it 100%, no problem. If it drops back down, we'll get the long. If not, don't care. We're already 690 green on the pre. We don't need to force anything at the moment. I'll rather get a good dip buy. Yeah, of course. Yeah, that's trade plan for sure. If it doesn't push into this lower VWAP band and 423.56 on Qs, I have no interest in chasing the long up because we have that perfect little magnet fill. But again, Qs does not fill as accurately as SPY. SPY will magnet and fill these gaps way better than Qs ever will. SPY is always the better trader. So SPY front ran quite a bit here this morning. SPY was way up over yesterday's highs there, and Qs not even close to even yesterday's close. So Qs has the best upside potential. We're just trying to get the best entry. She doesn't want to give up the perfect consolidation of the 424.6 cent algo here. It's keeping this gap open by a whopping 3-4 cents on the daily. So and we went over every single price level, every single little thing we're looking for here with every picture is posted. So you got to play. Daily gap fill long off 423.56, lower VWAP. So no, we're not long in Qs. Still waiting for the slip here. A little speed. VIX, come on, get up to that half deviation, 1.5. It's being extra patient without this fill. No longs. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Should get the speed here. We just got to see some nice extension under volume area lows there. The 5-minute Qs. Nothing yet. There we go. Nice little fresh red on the SPY and help out drag this down, hopefully. Dead sideways. Chilling, chilling, nothing to do.
Pretty much.
Just waiting for my breakdown. Sees a slip just a little bit more. So close. Tiny fresh low, little push there on the 5 minute. She's trying her best this year. VIX isn't really giving us a hand. Dollar's just stagnant. We're getting a really low day. 9 a.m. is pending home sales. 12 minutes still data. Still no love at the consolidation gap. That was a nice push down on SPY. Definitely tried to help it out to get a little dangerous candle there.
It's also kind of wondering if they do like just like a move down to the 161 on SPY and then like even do this pop reversal too. It's kind of I thought they might have done it earlier in the day. Where is that?
Yeah, it's very Friday like today. So we're glad to lock in a little bit on the pre, but you know, there's not a lot of things you can do on Friday except for waiting for the actual position to hit. You don't want to be clicking buttons over and over and over and over again in between all this stuff. You want to wait for your absolute target to hit, then start your clicking buttons, enter in your little position sizes. We need a live tag of the 100 EMA 5 minute on ES anyway, so this next leg down here on ES, you can either long the 100 EMA 5 minute area for a scalp on the ES of using SPY's chart, or Q's for me. I'm going to do the gap fill, of course. That's what we've been talking about over and over again for an hour as this thing slowly takes our soul going sideways. Click all the buttons here. Come on, we're in the bottom of the RSI. We have a really good MAC spread right here. You can see that MAC just really good through the 0 line. So we have lower coming. It's just taking its sweet time. And then again, that gap fill into the 1618 into lower VWAP, that's going to be the best case scenario for that catch scalp on those Qs. It has the potential to do so. We're just going to have to wait this whole play out here. New 5 minute candle. Let's go. See if we get some different juice here. We've had a solid green, red pattern here. This is the Christmas tree pattern. So nothing to do yet. Waiting for an absolute tag. This looks like a tight knit consolidation, but that MAC cross is just so strong here. I'd be very surprised if this thing snaps way far to the upside. It's looking very good to the down with the MAC cross. It just needs to hit its fresh lower low so we can do that big reversal. Again, SPY's 100 EMA 5 minute would be a great little scalp as we wait for this low side here coming down on both of these guys here. It's just taking its sweet, sweet time here. I was hoping VIX held up a little better than that on the MAC cross, because that MAC cross on VIX, it's still getting tight. So the MAC cross lines are getting very strong, which is bullish for VIX, bearish for the markets right now. It should cause the tumble here. Starting to get a little speed on this 5 minute candle. We got another nice red. Hey, it's finally happening. A little bit lower than the last 10 minutes of the consolidation. So again, we're being very patient, trying to get the 423.70. We'll be outside of volume area lows and into the blue VWAP, into 423.56 for my scalp buy here. It's so close. Ready to click some buttons here. Come on, market. Give us the fill. Give us the 423.56. We've been patient. We've been in waiting mode for over a half hour here. Give us the one long scalperoo. ES is almost, sorry, SPY is almost there. Looking for that 100 EMA. Low as well. Yeah, Tesla's out of the Magnificent Seven. Kramer said we got some punishment to happen on the market, so dip buy.
Yeah.
All right, we're getting down to this low here. We're at low a day. We're looking for the crack into fresh lows. We should get a speed candle. There's the gap fill. 1618 and lower VWAP band coming up.
Order filled.
I'm going to start entering here into the long position into the lower VWAP 423.56 area.
Order filled.
This is where you want to see some minor support. You got the 5-minute 100 EMA on SPY is going to help us out here, and just got a couple contracts loaded there. Right on the 1618, like we said. Right at the gap fill, like we said.
Order filled.
I like to take my profit in the first scalp there. So 2 NQs. I locked in 1 already. Now we got 1 on the horn. This is supposed to be just a fast-paced scalp. We got some volume area gaps and volume area lows, blue channel here, coming in for bigger support. So again, fast-paced scalp. Just knocked out a nice 230 on that.
Order filled.
So we got a nice little cushion. 5-minute 100 EMA here. Just buying in back and forth here.
Order filled.
And so we're testing these
one.
pre-market over-unders pretty good. We just hit the SPY 161. So 161 down target's been filled for the, or hit for the day as far as SPY goes.
Cool.
So yeah, a little pop back there is kind of normal. We haven't hit SPX, it looks like. Yeah, so still a little bit of support here, guys. So I don't think, you know,
No, back to
market's
volume
just-
area lows
yeah.
should be hit. I got 1 NQ riding it. We did about 4 total trip there, 3. I got 1 NQ on the left and the backside here. We could get the volume area lows, but you know me and the scalps. We'll get out of here anytime she starts to look a little wonky, and the VIX has got the cross.
Order filled.
I'm happy with that profit right there. I just took my profit. So that was the low scalp. This could easily have tons of support here. I'll look for a better build. So I just got 3 different NQ scalps there. And now, bring this up here. All green trades for the day. That was 435 on all 6 live accounts. So 435 plus 6 plus the 25 we already made. Nice green day.